Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is connected to the internet. Then, navigate to the Xbox store and download Fortnite, which is available for free. Once installed, launch the game and either create a new Epic Games account or log in with an existing one. Finally, complete the brief in-game tutorial to familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls and mechanics before jumping into your first match. Mastering movement is key in Fortnite. Your left stick moves your character, while the right stick adjusts your camera perspective. Press the button to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground, and B to crouch, which can help you stay hidden. The X button is essential for interacting with the environment, like opening chests or picking up valuable loot. Practice these basic movements to navigate the island effectively. Combat and building are core to Fortnite's gameplay. The right trigger fires your weapon, while the left trigger allows you to aim down sights for improved accuracy. Quickly switch between your 5 equipped weapons using the Y button. When it's time to build, press B to enter building mode, then use the bumpers and triggers to select and place structures like walls, ramps, and floors to defend yourself or gain a tactical advantage. Fortnite offers several exciting ways to play. The most popular is Battle Royale, where 100 players compete to be the last one standing. You can also unleash your creativity in creative mode, designing your own islands and games. To progress, complete daily and weekly quests to earn experience points. These points help you level up and unlock new cosmetic items and rewards through the Battle Pass, enhancing your in-game experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.